Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing awesome. So, as we are solving the top 50 questions of a SQL on a LeetCode, so let's continue. Just give me a sec. Let me quickly log in. और गाइस कैसा चल रहा है? आर यू एंजॉइंग? और क्या कर रहे हो आजकल? सब मौज मस्ती कर रहे हो या नहीं कर रहे? नहीं कर रहे तो करो यार. आप नहीं करोगे तो कब करोगे? Is this the right password which I entered? Yes. Okay. So, yeah. So we have logged in. We have solved 34 questions. Great. Okay. So let me solve this one. Today I'm using the vertical monitor. I have a monitor which I could use as a horizontal or as a vertical. Now today I'm using as a vertical, so you will might get a different display today. Okay, so let it be. So we have last person to fit in the bus. Okay, tag as medium. We have table queue. We have column name. Is my voice audible? Am I audible? Yeah. So we have table queue, we have column name, person ID, person name, wait, turn. Person ID column contains unique values. Okay. This table has the information about all people waiting for bus. Okay. The person ID and turn columns will contain all numbers from 1 to n, where n is the number of rows in the table. Okay. Turn determines the order of which the people will board the bus, where turn equal to 1 denotes the first person to board and turn equal to n denotes the last person to board. Okay. Weight is the weight of a person in kilograms. Okay. There is a queue of people waiting to board a bus. However, the bus has a weight limit of 1000 kilograms. Okay. So there may be some people who cannot board. I see. Write a solution to find the person name of the last person that cannot fit on the bus without exceeding the weight limit. The test cases are generated such that the first person does not exceed the weight limit. Note that only one person can board the bus at given turn. Okay. Result format is in the following example. We have queue, a person ID 5, person name Alice. No, nothing. Weight is 250 and turn is 1. So which means we are just boarding in the turn order. Where it was mentioned. Turn determines the order of which the people will board the bus. Okay. So we have the first Alice will board. Now it's more readable, I believe. So first Alice will board and weight is 250 and total weight. Yeah, there is no one has boarded yet into the bus. So the weight is 250. Second we have Alex 350 and 350 to 50 around 600. Second Alex 600. And the third we have John. And John weight is 400. This is 1000. Last person to board cannot board. Okay, we cannot board more than this. We have to find a solution person that can fit the bus without exceeding the weight limit. Okay, last person, which means John, and output is John. Okay, we got it. Question is straightforward, I believe. So how we can approach this or write a solution for this? Okay. It's visible na, what I was doing here. I believe that is visible. Yeah, it's getting recorded in the screen. Okay, so what we can do, what if first we just calculate the name of a person. We have person name, and what next, we can take the person name and we can take their weight, and we can take the cumulative weight as well. So let me take weight, and here we'll use over clause with the window function. We can use order by, and we have to perform order by turn. And what we have to, we are just summing the weight, and I can give it a name as cumulative weight. Okay, from Q, let me see what are we getting from this. We got Alice weight 250, 250, Alex 350, 600. As you can see, how can I show to you? Let me take this here. Yeah, it's visible now. So this was given to us in the explanation or the problem statement, that this is the explanation. They were just calculating the total weight, and we just calculated the cumulative weight, as you can see here. Yeah, perfect. This is our, now what we can do, couldn't we just get the name of this person where we have the limit, like we have bus limit of the capacity is 1000 kilograms, so we can just stop here and get this name. So how we can do that? For that, what we can do, first we will wrap this entire into a CTE, as we always do. Oh, why the formatting has been changed? Yeah, it's good. Remove extra spaces, and then we can simply select what? We can simply select the person name from CTE. Let me call it as C, and from C, where what? Let me take the line here, where our C dot cumulative weight must be less than equal to 1000. Perfect. And this is less than equal to 1000, and we have to perform this by order by, like weight, cumulative weight in descending order. Let me see what we get here. As you can see, yeah, you can see the output screen here. So we are getting the John, Alex, Alice, and the output is John. And why we need this descending, let me show you that as well. If we not use the descending, will not maintain the order, so we'll get in the ascending order. But we want the last person who just fitted into the bus, who just boarded into the bus. Okay, so the last person would be our John, so we can just sort in a descending order based on the cumulative weight. So I can write here as descending, And is this working? This is not working. Oh, we are getting multiple rows. So what we can do? What we have used so many times. This, like, if we are getting the multiple rows in the output, but we need only one. We got this error in the last question as well, I remember, but that was particular error, like our inner query was returning multiple rows, but here we are not getting the error. We are assuming that it should return one row, but it is returning multiple. Simple, yaar. Just take the top one. Just take the top one. Just take the top one. Oh my gosh. What's wrong with this? Oh no, man. Why I am submitting this in my SQL? This must be in SQL Server. Just use the top one. Just use the top one. Yeah! Accepted. Let me try to submit. Boom! It has been accepted. It has been accepted. Can you hear? It has been accepted. So yeah, that's all for this video. In this video, I only solved one question. That's okay, fine. आराम से solve करेंगे, कोई जल्दी नहीं अपने को. And we have solved one more question. And if I see here, in the advanced select and joins, we have left only with the one question. Count salary categories. I'm not solving this right away. We'll solve this question in the next video. And after that, we will left with the two topics, our subqueries in advanced string functions regex clause. Then that's all. Okay. अभी ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं होता है, पहले ख़त्म करते हैं सारा. Then okay. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found this video useful or enjoyed, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.